Hello and welcome. In today's video I am going to build a cat tree. So we'll check out the cat tree and then I'm going to turn it into a bird tree. Alright, so I'm going to add some stuff to it and make it climbable and put some bird toys on it, and we'll see how that turns out. So, first we're going to go ahead and put it together. This is the Joyo 58-inch cat tree on Amazon right now. It's $91.99. I like it. It's pretty nice. It took me about 45 minutes to put together. Not too bad. Okay, so here's our cat tree turned into bird tree so far. Spike seems to like it. He's just hanging out up here on the top. We hung some of his bird toys up here where the cat toy things are. And I put little ladders on here for the little birds so they can get up. Right here, Quakers like it right here. They've been hanging out here for a while. Hi. Hello. Yeah. And put some rope up here for them to climb on, and put some down here to get around. We got the ladder that came with it here. Whoa! What are you doing? What was that, Spike? Come here, buddy. Climb, climb, climb. So we're gonna add some more stuff on here too. Make sure they have plenty of stuff to do on here. I think it'll be pretty cool. I'll see how it goes. See if Spike destroys it. I don't know. And guess what? Jenny's at the door again. Hello? What are you guys gonna do? You're 2 floors apart now. Or 1 floor apart now. Hey, buddy. Where's your good boy? Where's your good Spikey? Haha, cool. Spike's going up high. Hey, buddy. Yeah, so we did this because we had the other cat tree out there and Spike seemed to really like it, and we thought that's kind of cool, you know, to have something nice and tall and with all kinds of platforms, and we could hang bird stuff on it and it'd be like a little play area for them. So just another thing that they can get to and play with. Quakers up top, Quakers up top. Yes. Hi. 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 Yeah. Hi. Hi. That's their hi for right now. It's Well, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this turning the cat tree into the bird tree video. So again, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to help me out. I would definitely appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.